Good day friends, my name is Godspower Adishi, and in this video I'll be talking about circles. This video is brought to you by GPAD Learn Math. This video is a continuation on the lecture series that we have begun on circles. So this is an example we're going to be treating on circles, and the example reads thus. The minute hand of a wall clock is 9.5 meters long. What distance does its tip cover in 72 hours? If you notice very well, you realize that we are asked to find the distance that the tip of the minute hand cover in 72 hours. Okay, now I want you to know that the minute hand makes a complete circle or a complete cycle of 300 in 60 minutes to cover 1 hour. So if the minute hand goes round the clock, it makes a 360-degree, and it does this in 60 minutes, and this means that in 72 hours the minute hand would have gone 72 times. Okay, so all we have to do, we need to find the perimeter or the circumference of the circle or of the wall clock. Now notice something, that the assumption here is that this clock is circular in nature or in shape. So all I have to do is to find the perimeter or the distance around the clock. Once I've gotten that, all I have to do next is to multiply that circumference by 72, since this minute hand will go around this clock 72 times. Okay, so let me just draw the minute hand. So this is the center of the clock, and this is the minute hand. This is the minute hand. Okay, this minute hand is the radius of the circle, and it is 9.5 centimeter long. So this is 9.5 centimeter long. Okay, again, let's find the circumference of the circle. C for circumference is equal to 2 pi r, and this is equal to 2 times 22/7, which is pi, though it does not give me like that. So times the radius is the length of the minute hand, and that is 9.5 centimeter. 9.5 centimeter. Okay, if you multiply the numerator divided by 7, you will get 59.7143 centimeter. This is the distance or the length or the circumference of the clock, and this is the distance the minute hand would cover in 1 hour. We can now say in 72 hours, be very careful about it, in 72 hours, okay, the distance would be equal to 72, because the minute time will go 72 times. I'm still saying that again. So 72 times this, 59.7143 centimeter. Okay, and if you multiply this, you will get 4299.4296 centimeter. Okay, so this is the distance. If you look at the options, you will realize that the answers were left in meters, so I have to convert this from centimeter to meters. Notice again that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Okay, so to convert this to meters, I'll have to divide. So in meters, I'll have the distance of this in meters would be equal to this, which is 4299.4296 divided by 100, and this is in meters. So if you divide that, you will get 42.99 meters. I'm just removing the others. So if you approximate, look at the options we have, 59.7 and the others. So let me approximate this again. So approximately this becomes 43 meters, and this is option E. Okay, so let's treat another example on this. Example 4 now. How many times, correct to the nearest whole number, will a man run around a circular track of diameter 100 meters to cover a distance of 1,000 meters? Okay, again, what I have to do here is to find the distance around this circular track. To distance around this circular track, I'm asked to find how many times this man would run around this circular track. Okay, if he were to cover a distance of 1,000 meters, all I have to do, find the circumference of this circular track and then divide. Next, after I've done that, is to take this 1,000 meters, since this is the distance he has covered, that would be 1,000 meters divided by the distance around this circular track. If I'm able to do that, I will get the number of times he would have gone around this circular track. Let's solve this. Again, circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, or the circumference of a circle is pi d. Anyone you want to use, you get the same answer. So let me just use 2 pi r. Notice we were given this diameter as 100 meters. I just still want to use this. Radius is equal to diameter over 2. And the diameter here is 100 meters. So 100 meters divided by 2, and this is 50 meters. It means that the radius of this circular track is 50 meters. Let's do that here. C is equal to 2 times 22 over 7 times that. This 20 over 7 is the value of pi. So times the radius is 50 meters. And if you multiply the numerator, divide by 7, the circumference would then be 314.2857 meters. So this is the circumference of the circular track, or you can say the distance around the circular track once. Okay, so to get the number of times the man would run around the circular track if he covered a distance of 1,000 meters, that would be the distance the man has run, which is 1,000 meters, divided by 314.2857 meters. And when you divide this, you will get 3.1818. Now they say correct to the nearest whole number. I'll have to approximate this. So approximately it is 3. So this man, for him to cover a distance of 1,000 meters, he will have to run around this circular track 3 times. Yes, this is it. Okay, as usual, I'm going to give you an exercise to do. So this is the exercise. You can pause this video and get this exercise, solve it, and leave the answer in the comment section. We'll continue the conversation from there. Do well to like this video, share, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on all our social media platforms. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.